If you're looking for the best high-interest savings account in Canada, one of the top options right now is the EQ Bank Personal Account. This account is widely considered one of the best because it combines high interest, zero monthly fees, and easy online banking. Let's take a closer look at what this account offers. First, the interest rate. The EQ Bank Personal Account currently offers up to about 2.75% interest on your balance, which is significantly higher than many traditional savings accounts at major banks. Interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, allowing your savings to grow steadily over time. Another big advantage is that there are no monthly fees. Unlike many traditional bank accounts, you don't have to pay maintenance fees or keep a minimum balance. You can open the account with any amount of money and start earning interest right away. This account also includes free everyday banking features. You can send unlimited indirect e-transfers, pay bills, and move money between accounts without paying transaction fees. Many banks charge for these services, but EQ Bank includes them at no cost. Another useful feature is ATM access. With the EQ Bank card, you can withdraw money from ATMs across Canada, and the bank will reimburse the withdrawal fees from other ATM networks. Security is also important. Deposits in EQ Bank accounts are protected by CDIC insurance up to $100,000, which means your savings are protected by the Canadian Government Deposit Insurance System. Finally, the account is fully digital, meaning you can manage everything from your phone or computer. Opening an account usually only takes a few minutes online, and once it's set up, you can transfer money, track your savings, and manage payments through the mobile app. So in summary, the EQ Bank Personal Account stands out because it offers around 2.75% interest rate, $0 monthly fees, no minimum balance, free interest, e-transfers and bill payments, ATM access with reimbursed fees, CDIC deposit insurance protection. And that's why many experts consider it one of the best high-interest savings accounts in Canada right now.